Dr. David, I'm sending over Mr. Thomas for a checkup before his operation. He's having keyhole surgery next week.
Thanks, Dr. Mihira. I'll set up a time for Mr. Thomas to come in. What does he need to do to get ready for the operation?
We'll need to make sure Mr. Thomas is in the best possible health for the surgery. He'll need to fast before the operation and avoid some medicines.
I'll give Mr. Thomas clear instructions about how to prepare before the operation. Are there any specific worries or things we should watch out for?
Mr. Thomas has a history of high blood pressure and sugar problems. Point 1. We'll need to manage these carefully before the surgery.
Dr. Mihira, I'll look at his medical history and make sure he's taking his medicines as he should. We'll also need to see if he's at risk of any problems and take the right steps to prevent them. Mihira, I want you to know that developing an infection is never your fault, and these things can happen even when you've been careful. There are several possible reasons why an infection might occur, and understanding them can help you feel more in control. Sometimes, equipment like clippers, needles, or tools used on the skin may not have been properly sterilized, allowing bacteria to enter. In other cases, your skin might simply be more sensitive or reactive to certain products, materials, or adhesives, and what starts as an allergic reaction, redness, itching, or swelling, can sometimes lead to a secondary infection if the skin barrier gets broken. Even with the best hygiene, some people naturally have more delicate or reactive skin that is prone to irritation and infection from friction, sweat, or tight clothing. Now, here's what to watch for so you know when to see a doctor. If the area doesn't start improving within a couple of days, or if it actually gets worse, that's a clear sign. You should also seek medical help if the infection seems to be spreading to other parts of your body, or if you develop new symptoms like a high temperature, significantly increased pain, more swelling or redness, or any pus or foul discharge. Your health and peace of mind matter deeply, so please don't hesitate to reach out for professional care if anything feels off.